What's up everybody, Matt Moran here for another video from New York. This is the 2019 Maserati Levante Trofeo, which is the new high performance version of the Levante, and you can see it's got 22-inch wheels. It has a 3.8 liter twin turbo V8 that's derived from Ferrari that has 590 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, and has all the sporty stuff on the inside too to make it more aggressive than a regular Levante, with paddle shifters there and lots of carbon fiber and whatnot. 186 mile per hour top speed supposedly, or above, they said. 3.9 seconds 0 to 60, and should be a very impressive performer. I mean, even more horsepower than the Stelvio Quadrifoglio, I should say. And so yeah, and obviously this one is finished off in this matte black or matte gray paint that looks very sinister, and I'm sure it's going to sound amazing like most Maseratis do. But yeah, so it's 2019 model year, but no word given on pricing or when they'll be showing up, but we will be getting it here in the States. But anyway, that is the Maserati Levante Trofeo.